Today, December 5, 2024, anniversary of the December 5, 2023 lighting of the candle that accompanied the pilgrimage of the sacred prophetic covenant marker of His Excellency President Ferdinand Romualdez Marcos Jr. as inspired by Saint Teresa of the Child Jesus, Saint Joseph, Saint Padre Pio on September 23, 2023. This evening, marks also the birthday of our Grandmaster Thomas Leang, leader of the Interfaith Philippines Prophetic Daodigong Temple. As you can see, there is the Most Holy Trinity, Saint Joseph. You have Saint Therese. You have Saint Therese. You have Padre Pio, Santo Niño de Praga, and most important, the Mother of Mercy, Mother of Interfaith Graces, who will be enshrined in the Rodriguez Rizal Pamitinan project entitled the Philippine Local Government Transfiguration Covenant Chapel of the Mother of Mercy, Mother of Interfaith Graces, to honor and sustain the citizen covenant done in the Katipunan Covenant Cave for the honor and holiness of the Filipino race. And now, if I may read, this pilgrimage marker, this covenant marker of the President, made a pilgrimage to Luzon, Visayas, and Mindanao. And now, I normally allow others to read it before the public, but now I will read it. The Sacred Prophetic Covenant Marker of His Excellency President Ferdinand Romualdez Marcos Jr., as inspired by Saint Teresa of the Child Jesus, Saint Joseph, Saint Padre Pio, on September 23, 2023. Your President Ferdinand Romualdez Marcos Jr. makes his sacred prophetic covenant to offer himself to be guided by. And then I will read towards the end already, towards the end, this sacred prophetic covenant with Rizal and the Katipunan, your President, makes by God's grace, for the proclamation of the Philippines Transfiguration Country for the world. Amen.